Hello friends, I am Aryan Shah. I scored 705 out of 720 in NEET UG 2024. I joined Aakash Digital 3 years back in 2021. I had an interest in science from class 5 and I had great curiosity in natural sciences. Biology always fascinated me with its new ways and how life evolves. And the human physio part, how our body is a biochemical machine and it works in a great harmony, really inspired me to take up MBBS as a course. In 2021, when I was just starting my 10th, there was Corona all over the world. So my search for coaching ended when I found Aakash Digital. It was a perfect match for me as all offline coachings were not open and it provided me with all the classes. I started my NEET journey in class 11th. I started with reading NCERT. Then I moved on to solving modules. Tests helped me know what my mistakes were. I analyzed what my weaker areas and I trained more on those areas. And at last, I had a pretty good matchup against NEET. The syllabus of NEET and board is practically same. Both of them follow NCERT. And the level of boards is increasing. Like they are asking MCQs from every nook and crook of the NCERT book, and there are like I think 20 MCQ questions which are same as NEET, so you can prepare them side by side. NCERT is the single most resource for any student preparing for NEET, especially the text. The questions are asked from NCERT text only, and there is summary from where direct questions are framed. And the graphs given in NCERT are also asked in the NEET examination along with the back exercise. Sometimes ditto back exercise question comes in the NEET examination. In last few months, of course, every student has completed their syllabus. Now it's the time to revise. A very big role is played by test series in this crucial moment. After giving your test, you can see what you have done wrong and you can improve on that topics. I personally gave a lot of FTS. The FTS, the things I made wrong, I made sure that I correct them, and the next test I don't repeat the same mistake, and day by day I improved and I scored more and more. Aakash Digital test series helped me a lot. Through AITS I know where I stand in the nation. Term tests also helped me a lot. They helped me revise a large chunk of syllabus in a short duration of the time. Through part syllabus tests I know which part was weaker. Through FTS, I got the ability to attempt the whole paper in one go. They helped me increase my concentration and my time management. Breaks are an important part of your study schedule as they help you escape from the monotonous life of a student. Whenever I got chance, I used to go and talk to my family for 5 minutes. It helped me rejuvenate my energy. Question comes in the NEET examination. The syllabus is completed and the student has read everything. Many students forget to read NCERT and revise NCERT. This can easily be improved by reading NCERT mind maps given by Aakash Digital. For my weaker subjects, whenever I had a doubt in a question or a concept, I used the doubt session feature of Aakash Digital to contact my mentor or the specific subject faculty to clear my doubt at that moment only. The end of class 11th was the lowest point of my preparation. Topics like waves and SHM were really hard for me. They really lowered my confidence. But towards the mid of 12th, when the syllabus was about to end, the revision classes of Aakash Digital helped me revise those topics and it helped me regain the confidence which I lost. Just the mere thought of getting into a top medical college helped me going through the preparation journey even when I was scoring very less marks in the mock test. After joining Aakash, I had a clarity in concept. Every topic was taught in depth and given enough time. The most memorable day of my journey with Aakash Digital was when zoology faculty taught us the human evolution part of the evolution chapter. The faculty at Aakash Digital was very good. They helped students understand each and every topic really well. They were available to us every time we needed them. The doubts were clear in class and also out of the class in doubt sessions. My advice to all the future aspirants would be that stick to NCERT and focus on what the teacher is teaching you. The only thing which can propel you to success is hard work and hard work only. There are no shortcuts or tips or tricks. Only hard work will help you achieve what you really want. At last, I would like to thank everybody who helped me in this journey, including my faculty, my teachers, my parents, and my grandparents.